Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox Dell E2220H monitor. It is full HD resolution, is ideal for everyday tasks, while comfort view is ready for extended viewing periods. It reduces up to 60% of harmful blue light emissions, and also it will save energy with power nap option, a feature that dims or put the monitor to sleep automatically when not in use. And available connectivity options are one power port, one DP 1.2 port and one VGA port. The maximum preset resolution will be 9020 by 1080 at 60 Hz. The display screen coating with anti-glare, backlight technology is LED, and the power support AC input voltage current 100 VAC to 240 VAC. And this monitor will be useful for small workstations, offices, and the school, students, and home offices users. And it's very cheap and affordable price monitor at the market. Hope you get some idea about this Dell E2220H 22-inch monitor. Please share my video, like and comment. Thank you very much.